All right, so again, we're supposed to kind of graph it and then indicate whether the solution is bounded or unbounded, and then also find the coordinates of each corner point. So what we're going to do is we're going to solve each one of these up here for y, and then plot the points on our calculator, and then we can go from there. So what we have is we have y is less than or equal to a minus x plus 11. Here, we're going to have, so if we divide by 5, we're going to have y is going to be greater than equal to a just 1/5 rather, x, and then plus 3. And here, we're going to have y greater than equal to minus 2x plus 12. All right. So, oops, that was minus. I don't know why I didn't keep that minus. I thought it was wrong, but you take a minus over it is minus. All right, so now we will plot those in our calculator. And again, we'll go up here, get rid of all of these. Oops. Clear, clear, clear. Now we'll type in what our new ones are. And we had a minus x plus 11. And we had a minus 1/5 x. And then it was plus 3. And then we had a minus 2x plus 12. All right, so hopefully we got everything on here. Okay, we've got everything in scale. And what we had was for the blue one, it had to be less than the blue. So it has to be going down here. For the red one, it had to be greater than. So it has to be greater than the red one. And for the black one, it has to be greater than the black one as well. So really, it looks like what we have is the region is only going to be this inside triangle here. And so what we need to find are the points on each of those three corners of the triangle, and we should have our graph. So doing that, that means we're just going to do 5 intersections. So blue and red, and our intersection is 10, comma 1. Pretty easy. All right, let's do it again. Let's do an intersection. This time do black and blue. So that one's going to be up here, 1 comma 10. Not too bad. And one last time, number 5. Now we need a black and a red. And that one's going to be 5 comma 2. So let's draw what we had there. And so again, everything's really in this section here. So we came down something like this. We had something that went over like this. And then we had something that was even further out like that, something like that. And these were our points we were looking for. Our intersection was this. And again, this is hand drawn, it's not to scale. And if I remember, that was 110, and then this was 10 1, and that was 5 2. Okay, so those were our 3 points, and this one is bounded. Okay. All right, so again, calculators come in really useful for these, and so go ahead and use those to find your boundary points. That's the best way to do this, I think. All right, let's stop there and we'll come back for another one.